Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to enable and use mono audio on Windows 11. So if you want to enable mono audio on your Windows 11 device, let me tell you that this feature combines stereo audio channels into a single channel, thereby ensuring the same sound play through both speakers or headphones, especially helpful for those with hearing impairments or when using a single headphone. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to click on the start button and then choose the settings icon. And then you have to select the system tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to select the sound option in the right pane. And then you have to scroll down to advanced section and look for the mono audio toggle. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to mono audio and you are all set. Once activated, Windows 11 will combine the left and right stereo audio channels into one, thereby ensuring the same sound is played through all connected audio devices. After enabling mono audio, you can test it by playing any sound or MIDI on your Windows device. If you use headphones or external speakers, you will notice that the audio is now identical in both ears or channels. This simple feature can make a big difference in your listening experience and accessibility needs. And once you have made the changes, close the settings tab and you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.